How's it going, guys? Sensei here. Okay, thank you, lovable kids. I am so sorry, actually. I've not been seeing you guys that much, and I'm really am sorry though. It's because technically, last time I saw you guys, I think that was like a few years ago. The issues that I've been having is that I've been experimenting with different cameras of trying to find the right one for this vlogging channel, and I know for a fact it has been some time actually. And if you guys are wondering, hang on, wait a minute, Sensei, then which camera were you using last time that we saw you? That was my old iPhone 6s I was using, okay? But now, tell you what happened was that it was Black Friday a few days ago, and I saw this one upon Amazon, and it was actually perfect for me because it fitted in my price range, and it's Sony as well. So, a word of advice, okay, if it's Sony, Samsung, Panasonic, guys, those are the best ones to go with, okay? They really are the best ones to go with. So technically, I finally bought myself a new vlog camera, okay? So now, yeah, we can start doing more cool videos, okay? Now, with this camera, what do I want to achieve with this camera, okay? Better vlogs, better landscape footages, because many of you guys out there may not know, okay, I live in Buckinghamshire, and Buckinghamshire is known for its filming locations. So what, for example, The Labyrinth, David Bowie's movie, loads and loads of freaking Bollywood movies was filmed right down the road in Marlow. For me it was. So if you guys would like, I'll take you guys up to Marlow and I can show you guys around. Maidenhead, Windsor, even famous of Windsor Castle, and also Legoland of Windsor as well. I do believe, I think it's next year actually, because due to COVID actually, we could not go to any theme parks this year because of COVID. So hopefully though next year, if we do go to Legoland, guys, I will take you guys with me with these cameras, okay? Because the camera that now you guys are seeing, this is my camcorder of my Sony one. Now this one is a really fantastic one, this one is. Because say for example, if you try to zoom in upon smaller details, this will pick up every single freaking detail. Hang on, I'll show you. One sec, I'm gonna give you guys a quick demonstration, one sec. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but you see my point though. I mean, this camera is really fantastic. I really do highly recommend it. If you guys want to start with something quite small, I would really highly recommend this one, okay? Sorry guys, let me just move. No, I think they'll probably be okay. So, yeah, this is the camera I definitely do recommend if you guys want to. So I'm just going to bring you guys a bit out again. Sorry guys. There we go. That's excellent. That's excellent there. That's excellent there. So yeah, yeah, this camcorder is fantastic. Highly recommend it. Best investment I've ever made, okay? Sensei, enough of the techno mumbo jumbo. Let's open it up, please. So I'm a bit eager to see what's inside. Also, if you guys don't have any scissors or any, please just be careful when you use scissors or knives, because I don't want no one out there yelling at me or cursing me in the comments below, okay? But keys are the best things to use as well, okay? So just be careful, okay? Be careful when you're opening a package, okay? Because honestly though, I don't want no one, you know, cutting themselves and then, you know, I'm getting yelled in the comments below. Okay, one second guys, one second. Also, so far, if you guys sorry about that guys, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe. If you guys do subscribe, please activate that notification bell so next time I do a stream upload, you guys will be the first to know, okay? I love ya. Why are you guys being such a pain? There we go. This is awesome. This is going to be freaking awesome. So this is the Sony. Let me this up to you guys. Can the camera focus? So this is the Sony CyberShot DSC WX500. This one is. So I am really am quite excited to see what's inside, because one thing I noticed about Sony is that they actually have the same model. One second. Guys, back 1 sec, I want to show you guys something. And if you're wondering here which camcorder I'm using to bring you guys this is the one. So this one is, okay, so this one is the HDR CX24OE. best freaking camera to blimmin' use. Seriously, for unboxings, cooking, for anything, okay? But I would not say for vlogging, okay? Because you do get that shakiness. So when you're walking down the road though, you do get that shakiness of going up and down, up and down, up and down. And I just purchased the Adobe Creative Cloud kit. So I've got Premiere Pro, After Effects, Photoshop, Dreamweaver, all the fantastic softwares. Now I've got them, so now I get to do even more cool videos just for you guys, okay? But no, but seriously, if you guys want a decent camera, best one to use, best one to use, best one to use, guys, okay? That's the best one I'm gonna say. Okay, so let's open them up. Honestly though, this is really gonna be so much awesome, because the thing is with Sony is that you can trust Sony. That's the thing, you guys can trust them. And even if they are watching it, guys, I've been a massive fan of yours ever since I was a kid. So, love ya. I'm not saying it to suck up to them, I'm just saying it's the truth, because to be honest though, you can never go wrong with Sony. You can never go wrong with Sony. That's one thing I've learned from them. Sorry guys, please bear with Sensei, just 2 minutes please. Apparently now I've got sticky labels stuck to my fingers. Right. Sorry guys. Alright, keys are coming back in again. I need my keys, I need my keys, I need my keys. So apparently though, something's not budging. Something's not budging. Sorry guys, one sec. Oh, there we go. Gotcha. You know what, let me just give a bit of my keys actually, because I doubt that you guys only see my keys actually. Because the only main thing that you guys have come here to see is my camera. Warranty, instructions, all the fun stuff. And say hello to the camera. So this is a Sony one. This is the reason why I kind of bought it, was for the pop-up screen, because I'm not sure about you guys, but I kind of need to see what exactly I'm looking at. So hope that makes a couple sense to you guys. If it does, that's awesome. And you guys can see my camcorder in the window, so to speak. So it does record, and seriously, this is gonna be freaking awesome. This is so freaking much. To be honest though, now I'm gonna be so much happy now, because if I can take this to university with me, I can start doing more vlogs at uni. Of course, one of my tutors, he's given me full permission, he has, but the rest of them, I'm gonna have to speak to them and see what they say. And then maybe soon I can reveal which university I study at. Okay, just for you lovable kids. So that's the camera. I'm super happy with that. I am really, I'm happy with the camera. I'm really am happy with the camera. You know, let me just see if I can put that there. Thank you. So it's still in the view. Oh, wicked! Awesome! Yay! It's a plug-in. I've got a plug. That's so awesome. That is. And which is the charge? Oh, fantastic! And that is the charger to the vlog camera, which is super cool. Actually, do I need to be charged? Oh goody, I've got my thingy bobby right next to me. I've got my portable plug right next to me. This is one of the best investments I've ever done. Guys, if you're at university or you travel a lot, and if you love your iPhone or any of your camera gear, I would highly recommend you guys to buy this, because what it is that I've got my I've got my camcorder recharging as I'm filming, so I don't have to worry about the battery lifeline, okay? But if you guys would like to grab yours, look in the link box below, you guys. I'll leave it there so you guys can purchase it yourself. Actually, whatever you've seen inside this video, guys, everything is listed in my link box below, you guys, so I'll leave everything there. So I'll leave up to you guys, okay? I love ya. But okay, no, that's fine. So knowing I've got this basically, this, well, is there another battery? Yeah, there is. Apologies. Sensei, before we do that, can we just have the battery out, please? Sorry guys, my bad. Oh, so if you're wondering about SD cards, I do have SD cards. I do have one. So just bear with me. So let me just connect. Let me just connect this one in. Let me just connect the battery in. You know what is honestly though, with my dyslexia, guys, with my dyslexic, sometimes I don't really need the instructions. You know, I'm not blagging. Honestly, I'm not blagging. But honestly, sometimes I don't really need the instructions because to me, it just kind of feels like I know what I'm doing, so to speak. Guys. Okay. So, let me just go ahead and let me put this on the charge. Putting this on the charge. No, dude, no, I don't think so. That is the one. Sorry, guys. 1 second, please. Sorry, 1 second. You sure do? You sure do? 'Cause I swear that is. No. Perfect. Oh, it is recharging. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. It is recharging. Can you guys see that yellow light? That means it is recharging. Okay, cool. Fab. So, I want to leave this for maybe 5 or 10 minutes just to get a pretty good charge. But now you guys can understand why I purchased this camera for, because to be honest though, when you're filming though, it's always best to see one of you're filming, so you're on the perfect angle shot. Or to be honest though, I really got no idea. Maybe it's something to do with my dyslexic, because I like to do things differently compared to other vloggers or the YouTubers out there, so to speak, which makes my life 10 times easier. But so far though, honestly though, guys, if you really enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like, comment, share, and please subscribe. If you guys do subscribe, please activate that notification bell, so next time I do a video, a stream, or anything fun, you guys are the first to know, okay? But so far though, this is going to be like an awesome camera, this one is. So again though, everything is listed in my link box below, you guys. So if you want to check this camera out for yourself, please make sure that you do. And I'll probably see you guys in a bit, okay? Love ya. Guys, okay, so I'm using the new camera and so far I am enjoying this camera. Yes, I know I look horrible, but this is just a normal test run, this is so much. But actually, I am super happy, super confident with this camera now. Guys, I found my baby, okay? Found my baby, I have so much. So, what I might do actually, I'm gonna take you guys outside. Please forgive the garden. The garden's a little bit dull, a little bit dim, and I just really want to test out this camera, okay? So I'll see you guys in a bit. Love ya. My mum's vegetable patch. She's actually doing garlic right now as we speak. I'm actually quite sorry to say, but it looks like that my parsley or coriander is actually dead. Yeah, I know. That's like the very downside to doing your own vegetables. But I tell you what though, let me take you guys further onto my garden, and then I can show you guys a couple other things, okay? Yeah, Mum is a massive fan when it comes to doing gardening or growing her own herbs and spices or even vegetables in that scenario. But I must admit, so far I'm loving this camera. Actually, this camera is really fantastic. This is something I could easily get into, doing vlogs every day just for you guys. And honestly, so far I'm quite enjoying it, okay? Now, forgive me, okay? Now, I wasn't exaggerating when I said, yeah, my mum loves gardening, because check this out. Yeah, I was not exaggerating when I said my mum loves gardening. She severely loves it, she does. But at the moment though, I say again though, well guys, we're in the middle of winter right now as we speak. So now I can take you guys back into the studio, which is my / bedroom. Forgive the garden, it's a little bit of a messy garden is, okay? Love you guys. But so far, I'm quite enjoying this camera. This camera's freaking amazing, it is so much. back into my studio. Back into the nice warmness. Yeah, I know you got my desktop, PlayStation, Xbox. If you guys want to check me out upon my main channel, which is Sneaky Sensei, I'll leave everything in the link box below, you guys. So please make sure that you do come over and check it out, okay? Now, one sec. Back to me. To be honest though, honestly, I can really see myself here getting used to this camera every single day now. I can really get myself used to it, picking it up, you know, vlogging with it, because honestly though, I really needed a camera that could help me to see myself clearly. And my previous camera that I bought, guys, I'm actually going to sell it because it's not worth it for me to because I can't get my money back, and I'm just going to sell it for on eBay and see how much anyone gives me for that camera. But so far, this camera is the freaking best. I can always depend upon Sony. I can so much. So I'll see you guys back over on my camcorder in a minute, okay? Love ya. And welcome back, guys. Okay, so from that quick demonstration I showed you guys, I am very satisfied with this camera. This camera is my baby now, and I'm gonna be super happy to do more vlogs with this camera and just hang out with you guys even more, okay? So so far, if you guys left me a like, a comment, if you shared or even subscribed, guys, if you have subscribed, please make sure that you activate that notification bell, so next time I do a stream and upload, you guys will be the first to know. Also, if you'd like to check me out on Sneaky Sensei, everything's listed in the link box below, you guys. But no, but actually, this has to be the fantastic investment I have made, because one thing I'm going to say again, okay, with Sony, Panasonic, and also Samsung, these three companies are the best ones that you can go with, okay? Because I would bet my life on them, because their quality and their models are severely fantastic. So now though we've got the new vlogging camera, please expect to see even more cool videos now heading out towards you guys very, very soon, okay? But yet again though, actually, I still need to seek permission from the board of directors at the university law, if they can give me full permission to reveal which university I study at, and also if I'm allowed to include the university's name and logo. That would even be much more fun, okay? So but honestly guys, just like a major thank you to you guys out there for your love and your support, because what's the most awesome thing about this is that basically a few months ago, I was showing Mum all my work that I've been doing here upon the internet, and she was very pleased or impressed that what so far we have accomplished here upon these channels we have. And though that's the reason why she said to me though, if you want, you can go back to university and get your film degree, which I'm doing right now. Actually, we did submit our documental proposal, haven't got my results back just yet, but as soon as I do, I'll let you guys know. And hopefully as well though, if I go back to university tomorrow, we can actually do like a full day vlog. And also, you guys have to forgive me because I'm not used to seeing myself in my films. I don't know why. I think it's an anxiety I've got, or something's weird with me, okay? Something's weird with me though, guys. But if you guys can relate as well, please let me know in the comments below, okay? Love you guys. But no, but honestly though, guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for joining me. I'm really hoping that you have severely enjoyed this video. If you guys have, please, you know what to do, which is like, comment, share, and please subscribe. If you guys do subscribe, please activate that notification bell, so next time I do a stream upload, you guys will be the first to know, okay? But no, but seriously, from the bottom of my heart, just like a major thank you to you guys out there, just for your love and your support, okay? So I'll probably catch you guys on the next video then, okay? Or vlog. So take care. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. See ya. Bye.